Mm-hmm.
Oh, good position. Hi, Tart. Amy, I can play with Tart. I've caught a cat! Ooh. Can you just ignore what's touching you?
Put the cord under. Like that.
Oh gosh, no.
Says your battery's starting to get low.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, try to reach your hand back in there to get it.
The way he just was looking. Why are you looking at?
Uh-oh. She likes that toy too.
This isn't your tug of war one.
But I like that toy. I like to crumple.
Release.
Honey, you're not a cat. You're a dog.
Hold on, Amy. Let me get your tug of war one if you want to play tug of war. Actually, let me bring our little basket.
Comes Amy's basket.
That's one. What was the toy I had in mind? Oh well, I'll have to do. I don't see your pink one. She has a pink one that has a squeaker toy and a rope on it. You always go for the one.
That's because she wants to get it out of your hand. She knows that she can't grab it then.
That was. Is this one longer? Oh crap! Oh, I'm a little scared. You ain't played with me in ages. Just for the camera.
She says, you know me, I'm a ham. Is that all the higher you can jump?
Amy, Amy. You are hyper. Good heavens.
Want more toys? Oh, what you get? You got your squeaky toy.
Which looks like it's got a hole in it.
Had to put it in Mommy's sewing pile. Oh, she can still play with that for a while.
Okay.
That ain't that big a hole.
Sorry, Tart.
Squeaky toys come first.
I'm gonna have so many scratches by the end of this, but I don't care. You know, if you plan on playing with something like this, you should probably, you know, put on jeans. Pants. Not sure.
Or armor.
Yeah, armor's a good equivalent. Ah! That was my hand. Look at this thing that she has. I wonder if I can get her to play with it.
She's trying to find the squeaker. She says, I know it's in here somewhere.
There's actually like...
See, I knew it.
You know about the middle one then, don't you? Because that's exactly where you were biting.
Mm-hmm.
Don't want that one anymore? How about this? What do we do? Consider the option? Huh? That she hates this toy.
Really?
Yeah. See? She won't play with it. She won't play with it. It was the one that Grandpa got her. She doesn't like these kind of squeaker toys. Hang on.
No, she wants to pick out.
Hang on, hang on, come. Amy.
Tell her sit.
I will do this. There.
It doesn't fit on her?
I don't think it will. Donut dog.
No.
It's too small. Why'd you bite my toe? So what? So I gotta clean up? toys! You just kicked one into Kurt's thing. What? Uh-oh. Does Tart want to play anymore? What about you? What about you, Tart? Where's Button? In the bathroom?
In bed.
Did you get that one? Where are you?
The front.
You don't like this as well as Button does, do you?
Well, I actually thought that was.
These are his favorite ones. What? Did you just suddenly like release or what? Fishing for kitty cat. I guess Amy gave up and is now eating. Are you hungry? But that's good though. We haven't gotten her to play in a very long time. Because we've like shown her toys and she just look at them. She's extremely emotional. She tends to get depressed super easy. We have to watch how much we pet them because then she feels like nobody loves me. Even though she technically gets more attention than what they do.
Yeah, she gets to sleep inside. They have to sleep outside.
On the porch. I mean, they're kind of inside, but and she gets to sit with us all the time. She sleeps with me in bed. So technically she has a lot more than she does, but animals. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Ah, it looks like I'm done. So that was this playtime.